Remote control Spooky2 using Teamviewer. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to set up Teamviewer for remote access and operate the Spooky2 software remotely. Step 1. Create your account. Click on Sign into Teamviewer. On the bottom of your screen, click Create One here. Enter your name and email address, then click Continue. Enter your password, accept the terms, EULA, DPA, privacy policy, and click on Create My Account. Step 2. Verify your account. Check your email for the verification link. Open the email and click Verify Account. Return to Teamviewer Remote, tick the box confirming your verification, and click Sign In. You will be redirected to the Sign In page. Enter your password and click on Sign In. Step 3. Sign in on a new device, add a device as trusted. Open Teamviewer Remote. Click Sign into Teamviewer. Enter your email address and click Continue. Enter your password and click Sign In. A message informing you that a verification email has been sent to add your device as a trusted device will appear. Access your email inbox and open the verification email named Sign In on a new device. Click Add to Trusted Devices. A new tab will open, asking you if you want to trust this device. Click Trust. A message saying that the device has been verified and added to the list of your trusted devices will appear. Open Teamviewer Remote again, tick the box confirming that you verified your device and click Sign In. Enter your password and click Sign In. You are now signed in with your account. Step 4. Connecting to a remote device. To be able to connect, you first must get the ID and the password of the controlled device. Input the password for the remote device and click Log On. Once connected, you will see the remote desktop, including the Spooky2 software interface. By following these steps, you can efficiently set up Teamviewer and operate Spooky2 remotely.